While teaching the course, you may want to restructure the gradebook in Canvas. This tutorial will teach you how to move an activity like an assignment, discussion, or quiz to another assignment group, change points for activities, and how to create a new assignment group to move activities into. To view and manage the gradebook structure, we want to go to Assignments in the left-hand navigation menu. Let's try moving an activity. Navigate to the activity you want to move. On the leftmost side of the row, there is a 6-dot icon. You are going to want to click on this and then drag the activity either somewhere inside of the current assignment group or to another assignment group. Let go of your mouse. The activity has changed its location. Now, let's change the grade of an activity. Navigate to the vertical 3-dot icon button on the far right of a particular assignment or discussion. Click on the Edit menu selection. In the Points text field, enter the new amount of points for the assignment or discussion. Click on Save to make the change. Now you may have noticed that I mentioned this working for assignments and discussions. Since quiz grades are based on the total of points that are given to each question, to make changes to a quiz point structure, you will need to go into the quiz and make changes to the points for each of the questions. Now that you know about moving items around and changing the points for activities, let's add a new assignment group. Go to the top right corner of the assignments page and click on the plus group button. In the Add Assignment Group pop-up menu, enter in the name of the new assignment group and the new grade weight. Click on Save to create the new assignment group. Remember, you will need to make adjustments to the assignment group weights so that they all total up to 100%. For more information on grade weights, please check our tutorial on changing weights. A link for the tutorial can be found in the description for the video. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials as well as how to reach out to ATD with any questions or assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.